Hi, my name is Josh Piero and this is my final project for Android 3.10. For this project, I built off the project that I worked on last quarter, GeoTrigger. Again, GeoTrigger is an application that alerts users when they enter or leave predefined geographic areas. The functionality is commonly referred to as geofencing and is used in a wide variety of domains like real estate, retail, public works, criminal justice, and much more. You can see I have a few use cases listed here, things that you always hear about in geofencing, like retail, where you get sent a coupon if you get close to a store, or criminal justice, like the concept of geofencing sex offenders or other non-desirables into certain areas. So, here's a quick review of how my app works. Users set up geofences in a cloud service called CartoDB. This service lets you store spatial data in the cloud, and this is the data that the app communicates with. When a user fires up the app, they are presented with a map interface that shows their location as well as a buffer that they have set up. Here, they can click a Start button that starts a service, and this service listens for a change in the user's location. If there is a change, the app queries the CartoDB endpoint, and if the user's location within a certain distance of the geofence, the user will be alerted. So, what did I do for this exercise, for the final project? Well, I fixed a bunch of bugs. What I did last quarter was almost a proof of concept, and it was constantly crashing and I was having all sorts of problems with the app. I also rewrote the Android service and networking components. I was having all sorts of problems with my service and how it was passing data back to the UI. I think I finally got that figured out. And I had previously written my own threading mechanism to download data, but I switched it to an async task, which seems to be a lot more stable. I also added a couple of new features. First, I made the endpoint that the app communicates with configurable. Now you can change your CartoDB account that you use and that you connect to. And I also let users specify the buffer or the proximity to the geofences that they want that can trigger an alert. And finally, I released the app to the Google Play Store. And of course, I think that getting my app into the Google Play Store was the most satisfying part of this project. It was a great feeling of accomplishment, and it was a really great end to the series of classes, which I've really enjoyed. Currently, the app is in beta, and I had a bunch of my friends test it over the weekend in alpha. And if anyone's interested, I'd be happy to send them an invite so you can test it out, or you can wait till it comes out in the market. And thanks. I think that's it. If you have any additional questions that I don't answer here, feel free to shoot me an email anytime. Thank you again.